A day in my life. Isa ka Pilipina na mahilig magdrama, naabot sa Amerika. Oh, for today's video, day. Nabuang na imong asawa. Taguro. Buang imong asawa Taguro.
Yeah, you're crazy.
Oh, crazy daw ko. Yung monkey boy natin, are you? Buang din yan, buang. Gikapoy siya kay naglimpyo mi sa iyang truck bag, gikapoy. He's tired. Why you're tired? You're not older already. You are not retirement. Nabuang na ning bayanan eh. Oh, yung nag-red lights. Oh, red lights nga. Red lights, green lights. Pauli na mi jay kay kahumala na mo mag-clean sa truck. Kay pag maligog dagat kay di magwash siya mga legs, so dagang kay mga balas ang truck. So nag-red lights pa, so andito naka-stuck. We're stuck. So now green lights. This is the street or road in Florida, guys. So yeah, so a lot of vehicles like in Philippines. Traffic. Not really traffic in Florida, right? Just lang when you go to Marriott Indiana, no, they have something traffic, no, or Georgia. Oh, a lot of people, guys. Oh my God. Nakasabit na yun, nakasabong na ilang kuwan daw eh. Bisaya ko, wala mo yan. Ayun, Bisaya, ito king Bisaya. Ayan. So ayan, nakasabong ra ilang kuan, guys. Ilang red lights, green lights. Parang higihanger. Parang fiesta lang yung green lights, green lights. Festival style. Green lights, green lights. So, and park in Florida, guys. There's you cannot see. You can see here. Mga coconut tree. Wala sila yung coconut tree. Almost here in America is pine trees. F or P? Pine trees.
Pine tree.
Pine. Letter F. Pine trees. So
Pine. P.
Pine trees. So we're here at
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. So hobby plan today is mag-carpenter siya. So, no. Over here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Montino.
Come here, hold my hands. Ay, papasok kami sa Tractor Supply. Naman din. So, video kita. Sabay mo na.